I open up a pack of 1993 Leaf Series 1. A Big Hurt right on the back of the wrapper. Sorry, Big Hurt. I have to rip right through you. Maybe. Tough wrapper. Childproof. Pretty glossy cards. Let's see, they're going to be stuck together. A little bit, but not too bad. Let's see. Mike Greenwell. Kevin Moss. Ooh, high-ranked prospect for a while. Felix Fermin. Casey Candell. Names are coming back. Orel Hershiser. Very cool. Tom Lasorda's favorite pitcher. Denny Nagel. Decent career. Jim Bollinger. Dave Justice. Darryl Kyle. Scott Erickson. Matt Young. Carl Willis. And finally, Scott Cooper. 1993 Leaf Series 1.